Hello, traders. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful week. Right now, we are on Thursday, 15th of August. And I just felt it was really important right now just to give a little bit of a heads up here regarding Bitcoin, especially last time we spoke about we were, I think around here was a few days ago, and we said that it's best not to do anything until we see what Bitcoin is going to be doing with the 200-day moving average. Okay, just in short, we're in this kind of consolidation right now. I think this is what we also released on our Twitter account as well. This is a big consolidation move, even downwards a little bit, but there is a very good chance this is. Let's zoom out so you guys can also see it with me. This could be a bull flag for a massive move higher. Okay, towards from about now till mid 2025. My prediction is we're above the 100,000 level, possibly even much higher than that. Okay, and even in more into 2025, possibly 140,000. That's something that this you got to zoom out. You got to look at the whole thing and see, okay, what may happen next. But let's focus right now on the reason why I did this video, and what was important for me to do is really I'm hearing a lot of traders trading Bitcoin kind of with swings and what have you, and they're losing a lot of money. They're putting in a lot of risky trades right now, on every bounce, high volumes of buying, high volumes of selling, and thinking, okay, it's going to reach this level and that level. Um, I would just say stay away from that, at least until we get more clarity, okay? What do I mean by that? Until the price of Bitcoin does not go above the 200-day moving average, okay? we cannot we cannot be talk in a certain way saying, okay, yes, for sure, with that's it, we've reached the lows, it's not going to go low, it's only going to go higher from here. Guys, forget about that. Okay, Bitcoin can go lower, it can try again these levels around 53,000, it could even spike downwards towards 48,000, and also it can also break this kind of downward consolidation and go down towards the, let's say, call it the 40,000 level, and anywhere between here and there. Okay, so let's just put that aside. Okay, so until we see Bitcoin on the daily chart, okay, on the daily chart, get above the 200-day moving average, and you guys can see the resistance. It had huge resistance here the past few days. Look, it's been trying. It got rejected on the 200. It also got rejected. This is a very, very important average, the 50 day. If you guys aren't using the 50 on the daily on Bitcoin, it's a mistake. Use it. It has so much information. You guys can see here it served as support. Now it's serving here as resistance. Okay. So we have these two major averages that Bitcoin is right now below the price. And it is just trying. It's trying to get above that. We have very good news coming out of the economy recently. At least not as worse as everyone feared. If you recall what happened, of course, last week. Um, Currently, Bitcoin is just trying to push above. Now, I want to go into the 4 hour. You guys already know. You guys should know that 4 hour is one of my favorite charts on the Bitcoin. Um, and we can see here this is actually really something that caught my eye. Basically, Bitcoin, we haven't managed to break above the 4 hour really. We've again here also on the 200-day moving average, 200 on the 4 hour. Currently, look, we look at the 100, big resistance here on the 100, and it pushed it. We were kind of dancing in between the averages here. This served as support, this served as resistance, and now we've broken below the lower one, the 50 moving average. So um, strong candle down. Again, look, this is a 4 hour chart. Okay, this can also look at, if you look, we're gonna go into the hour, and you guys can see this can also be like a kind of short-term support. We can also push back higher in the next 4 hours or until tomorrow. But as of now, until we get this assurance on the 4 hour at least, this is the what we have to go. We have to beat this 100. So on the daily we got the 200. On the 4 hour we got the 100. which 400 right now, as you guys can see right now, is the price. It's about 60,200 around that level. We need to get above the 60,200 at least, okay? Um, Zoom into the hourly. I like to, we start from bigger time frames and then we kind of, zoom in. If we look at the hourly, Bitcoin going down, market is going up. Market at Nasdaq right now is about 2.5%. We had a very good retail sales number come out today. Especially also yesterday with cooler CPI and the day before, with cooler PPI, really gave kind of that encouragement that the market needed. Okay, that we're gonna, we're not in a recession. Doesn't look like it just yet. Maybe a slowdown, but not a recession. Market's getting into a new monetary policy phase where we're going to probably be looking at lower rates in the next 12, 24 months, possibly by 1 to 2%. That's more or less where we're at in the projections. And Bitcoin is going down currently. Okay, it's not really been pumping on that news so much. Look, again, this is the hourly right now. We could finish the next hour back above the 59. So what I'm saying is this: I do not like to trade this so much. Okay, I mean, if you're asking, I know a lot of people are saying, look, this could be a good short right now. It could be a good short. It could be a good short. Also here, I'm sure that's what people thought. Then it pushed back above here. Also here, I'm pretty sure people thought, look, it did break the 200 on the hourly. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't be going necessarily long from here. Okay. Um, but as I also said, I wouldn't be going long right now until I see that clarity on the 200-day moving average on the daily and at least on the 100 on the 4 hour. Okay, so, and especially if you want to zoom in, look what I see on the 1 hour. This does not look like a good call yet to take it up. Okay, it does look like it wants to maybe pull further down. And that's okay because look, again, we are in a consolidation. Okay, this can go downwards back to 53, 54. That would not surprise me. That would not surprise me. Okay, it would surprise me if we did break downwards. Okay, so I do think there's buyers here that are going to be pushing up. I do think that there's this is a risky trade. Okay, but again, I wouldn't be trading it in either way. Not long and long, not short. Um, Anyway, that's just for that. I just think that was important just to say, okay? So I'm not longing it as of now. I personally am not shorting it. I do know that shorting it would make a little bit more sense to catch a few, maybe $2,000, $3,000 until around this level here, until around the 54, 500, something like that. That could be a good position for to take in the next few hours. But like I said, what we got to look at is the 200 daily, also the 100 daily. Okay, we have to push above that. Um, 4 hour, 4 hour 50. Okay, and also the 100. We have to get above that. And on the 1 hour, guys, I mean this you can obviously see. Okay, we're breaking down here. Okay, so the 1 hour, we need to be above 60 at least, and then try to get that rally going back above towards the 65,000 level. That's something we got to be seeing. Okay, so trade safely, guys. Trade cautiously. Okay. I wish you all a very, very good week. Almost weekend actually. It's already Thursday, so we'll be updating on the weekend. Anyway, good trading for now. Safe trading. Don't forget, start to conquer. Okay. Bye, bye for now.